Hi, in today's video I'm gonna show you edit and export caption as SRT from Premiere Pro using Brevidy. So let's jump into the timeline. First we will go to the Brevidy plugin website, then download Brevidy plugin file. Click on it and download it. Then we need to JetXP installer, drag it the Brevidy file here and install it. After install the file, then go to Premiere Pro's timeline. Move to the end of the video layer and press O on this keyboard. Then go to Window and open Brevidy plugin. Here you can see two amazing options, AutoCut and Caption. I will select Caption option, then choose Caption style. I'll select this caption, then hit the Create option. Now you can see the caption layer has created. If I play the video, you will see the amazing caption. Brevidy plugin, key features and benefits. AI powered editing, a smart suggestion to speed up workflows. Media organization, efficient file management for easy access. Real-time collaboration, you can change the caption style as your desire. Here is the position option. Here you can see three options, top, middle and bottom. I'll select middle option. There are many interesting captions here. You can customize them to your liking. Now I will create the SRT file, cancel the caption style and go to three dot button. Here you can see lot of interesting options. Select export SRT. Our SRT file has created. We will now import the SRT file into Premiere Pro. Go to the file, then select import option. Then select SRT file here and open it. Drag the SRT file into the timeline. Now you can see the caption has created. If I play the video, you will see the caption. Work seamlessly with Teams. Cloud integration. Edit for anywhere with cloud support. Custom template, and if I turn off the Brevidy caption layer, you will understand the caption better. Preset. Save time on repetitive tasks. Multi-format support. Compatible with various file types. User-friendly interface. Easy to use for both beginner and pros. Brevidy boosts productivity, enhance creatively, and simplifies. If you want, you can download the Brevidy plugin from my description box. To get more interesting editing related video like this, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so that our next video reach out.